Hello, welcome back to our channel. So today we are making this beautiful room decor with this cake board, and I've taken a picture of Kathakali which is printed on a normal A4 paper. I'm marking the edges of the cake board onto this picture and cutting the edges accordingly. I'm using the decoupage technique for this room decor. For that, dab some water using tissue or a cloth on the back side of the normal paper on which we have printed the desired image. Now start rubbing with your fingers on the back of the paper so that you can remove some layers from this paper. Try not to rub on the same spot continuously for a long time, since it will ruin the picture. See, now the paper is like tissue, it is very soft. I'm tearing the edges so that we'll get an uneven look. Now let us keep this aside and we'll start painting the cake board. For that, I'm dabbing some white acrylic paint on this cake board using sponge. This will give you full coverage and also a nice texture to your background. Once the painting is done and it is dried completely, we can paste this picture onto the cake board. For that, we have to mix our glue with some water. So I'm taking some water and mixing the glue. I'm using normal white glue. Apply this mixture thoroughly on the back of our picture, especially on the edges. So now you can place this picture. Be very careful to avoid air bubbles while pasting this picture. So you can use a brush if you don't have tools. I'm using a normal painting brush for removing air bubbles. Now, using the same sponge which we used for dabbing the white paint, I am merging this picture to the cake board. The edges has to be perfectly merged. Now I have completed the base coat and it is dried completely. So now let us move to the background texture works. So I am giving a light orange shade on the background. So this is the first coat for the background texture. So apply it properly on the areas where we have attached the paper. I have applied 2 coats of orange, and when it is dried we can apply the texture with red. So I am taking red paint on the sponge and I am dabbing randomly. This will give a nice texture to your background. Now our room decor is almost ready and we can give some final detailings to our product. So I have given a border with orange and black colors. I hope you like the video. We'll meet again with a new video. Until then, bye.